Hi, me Kenny, and welcome back to our vacuum channel, comparing two. This is the concept one, and here the Hoover wind tunnel. They're both old, but this one's really old. Let's see how they do. First, we're going to use the Hoover wind tunnel. Did the best. Now we're going to do this one. That did the best.
Okay.
This one won, and this one didn't, and that surprised me. Now let's try pancake mix. Oops. Now we're gonna use this one first. Okay, now we're going to use the Hoover wind tunnel. That one. This is surprising me. The older one went. And where you see the explosions, because we don't have a bag in it. Look at this. This is ridiculous. This one is on high position. And what's this one?
Shag carpeting.
Shade Company. So now, first we're going to use the Hoover wind tunnel. Okay, that did the best. So now we're going to do the Hoover. I should have put this one. Because it let popcorn than this one. So this one without this one is better for like oatmeal and powder, and this one more better for popcorn. It's surprising me how old and how powerful it is, and like 20 years old. I thought this was a hunk and junk, but it went. Stay tuned to part 3. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell and give it a big thumbs up. Bye!